Hi my friends, today I am going to teach you how to play basic major chords. Especially this video is made in English because my friends who can't understand Sinhala have made a request. So let's go to the video.
First we should label our fingers to play chords like this. This is first one, second one, third one, fourth one. First we see how to play C major chord. Our first finger should be on second string in first fret here. Then the second finger placed on the fourth string in second fret, and third finger placed on the fifth string in third fret. This is C major chord. We don't play this string, C major chord. Let's see how to play C sharp major chord. Our first finger brings to the fourth fret on the first string. On the second string in sixth fret, we place our fourth finger. Then our third finger placed on third string in same fret, and the other finger placed on fourth string in same fret. This is C sharp major chord. Let's see how to play D major chord. We place our second finger on first string in the second fret. Then the first finger placed on third string in same fret. Our third finger brings to third fret on second string. The fourth finger we place on fourth string in fourth fret. This is D major chord. Now we see how to play E flat major chord. It also like D major chord. It starts from third fret. All fingers we should place like D major chord. This is E flat major chord. Let's see how to play E major chord. We place our first finger on third string in first fret. Then our third finger placed on fourth string in third fret. And the second finger placed on fifth string in same fret. This is E major chord. Now we see how to play F major chord. We place our first finger on both first and second string in first fret like this. Then our second finger placed on third string in the second fret. The fourth finger placed on the fourth string in third fret. And the other finger placed on the fifth string in same fret. This is F major chord. When we play F sharp major chord, we bring our all fingers in the next fret like F major. It starts from second fret. This is F sharp major chord. G minor chord play like this. Our third finger placed on the first string in third fret. First finger placed on the fifth string in second fret. And third finger placed on the upper string in third fret. Now we see A flat chord. It also like F and F sharp major chords. A flat major chord start in fourth fret. We place our all fingers like F major chord from fourth fret. This is A flat major chord. Now we see how to play A major chord. We place our third finger on second string in second fret. Then second finger placed on third string in same fret. And the first finger placed on fourth string in same fret. This is A major chord. Now we see how to play B flat major chord. Our first finger placed on first string in first fret and fourth finger placed on second string in third fret. Third finger placed on third string in same fret and second finger placed on fourth string in same fret. This is B flat major chord. When we play B major chord, we bring our all fingers into next fret like B flat major. B major starts from second fret. This is B major chord.
So that's how to play basic 12 major chords played. If you learned something from the video, put a like, leave a comment if you have to ask something, and don't forget to subscribe my channel. So see you in the next video.